Well, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing well. Just wanted to show you real fast. I was out and about today with my wife. It's her birthday. Um, Ostensibly, we were supposed to go look at plants because she likes plants, and promised her we could go to a couple of nurseries, but she kind of wasn't in the mood for it after we got out of the house. But I went to a place that's north of here that's in a rural town, and I've bought stuff for him before, but I haven't been here for like 9 months. Anyway, I kind of hit a honey hole. When I went in there, he's like, "Hey, you got some stuff in the back I just want to get rid of, and I know you like this kind of crap, and I'll say the whole thing for one price." So, of course, like an idiot, I'm like, "Okay, let me take a look at it." But this is what I ended up with. It's a York's stereo cassette 8-track digital clock. And I think you've seen these before in some YouTube videos. It's also got a turntable. Look at that. It's got the cartridge, and it's not missing any bits and bobs. Anyway, that's what that looks like. Look at this thing. That's an old Sony Cassettecorder, isn't it? Yeah. It gets better though. Look at that, a fucking beta recorder, which I have no idea what I'll do with. But I've never actually seen a beta record for 30-something years, so I guess I did get on that. But we have a marantz synthesized tuner, marantz amplifier, all 80's, a marantz cassette player, and we have the original remote control, which I think is very cool. Where do you find that? And not too exciting, but a GPX pocket cassette player thingy, stereo cassette player with radio. You can see this has all kind of been, oh, and back there, I forgot to show you that little 5-inch TV. I buy these because I like listening to the radio on them. I like this one because it looked older, and it's not the crappy. This one's actually got some age on it. You can see it's been badly stored, but I also picked up at the same time a battery checker, which she had and kind of threw in. And last, got a marantz remote control receiver. What I don't understand about this, it's got a tray with it that's supposed to fit in here. But what's funny about this, it's the remote control tray. This thing actually has a tray. Remote control receiver, remote control tray. It's got a tray for your remote control. I don't think that's going to fit in there. Operation by infrared ray. Infrared ray. Ooh, high tech. I'll have to plug this thing in and see what it does. Is that not the weirdest thing you've ever seen? Receiver that actually has its own tray. Well, I just wanted to show you all this. I'll do more on this. I gotta get out of the car. I hope everybody's doing alright. I also picked this up. It's an old Sony AM/FM radio. I think it's from the mid or probably early 70s. It came with a leather case, but the leather case was all dried out, and I've been treating it with Leather Restore, trying to get it to get a little more flexible, because it's actually a very cool case. But this thing's in beautiful shape. Doesn't have a single fucking freaking crack on it or anything. When I first put batteries in it, and the battery compartment was spotless, it wouldn't do anything but make a crackling noise when you rotated the volume control. And then as I was screwing with it, I guess the caps reformed and it started playing music. So, and as it plays, it's getting better and better. So there you go. Isn't that pretty? Really like this thing. That came with the rest of the stuff I just showed you. But just wanted to share this with you, that I got lucky. Unfortunately, me being lucky means I have more crap and my wife gets more angry at me. I like the little red tip on there. And yes, I'm using my garbage tanner because I'm on the cat porch, and of course, you know, we don't really get radio here that great. It works better in the house, but just showing you. All right, bye.